Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here to help you start breaking those chains of unbelief and start allowing abundance to flow in every area of your life. And so we are at day number 20 of the 28-day whiteboard work. And so as I said, we're going beyond Ho'oponopono right to the whiteboard. You awaken every day to a new whiteboard. You can have a brand new whiteboard as often as you choose throughout the day. And so we're going to shift our focus to I appreciate infinite abundance. And so for those of you that are getting the emails, I know some people commented that they really like the I appreciate effortless abundance. We got some great results when we did that. If you want to do the walk formation, I appreciate infinite abundance, that would be awesome. And I know you're going to see some awesome results. So anyway, just know that all is available now. Okay? Know that we are always manifesting, positive and negative. Okay? Some people say there is no positive, there is no negative. That is completely up to you what you want to think, okay? So, as easily as you can manifest what looks like is negative, you can manifest positive, okay? And you will do that when you start appreciating more and more things in your environment. So, if you have what looks like a health challenge, if you will take your focus off of the health challenge and start appreciating more things in your environment, you will notice that that health challenge is not that big of a deal unless you make it a big deal. So it takes practice. You have to train your mind in a new direction that all is available at the whiteboard. So if you can just take 10, 15 seconds, a minute, just to download that truth and start thinking, I appreciate infinite abundance, you are going to be amazed at what starts to show up in your life. So, like I said, with the I appreciate effortless abundance, we had some amazing things happen. And so I know that this is going to bring some good things into your experience. So keep sending me your results. My number is 618-223-6006. My website is marlenab.clearlythebest.com. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love and abundance beyond belief.